The automotive world is buzzing with the arrival of the 2026 Hyundai Sonata, and it's clear that Hyundai isn't playing it safe. This isn't a simple mid-cycle refresh, this is a comprehensive reinvention that touches almost every aspect of the sedan. The most striking change is, without a doubt, the dramatic new front end. Gone is the wide, low-slung grille of its predecessor, replaced by a seamless Horizon front fascia. This design features a single, full-width light bar that spans the entire hood line, integrating the headlights and daytime running lights into one sleek, futuristic element. It's a minimalist and bold statement that instantly sets the 2026 model apart from anything else on the road, making the previous generation look instantly dated. This design philosophy continues along the profile, where you'll find new alloy wheel designs that complement the car's elegant silhouette. The rear end receives a significant update as well, with new full-width LED taillights that mirror the Horizon theme from the front, creating a bookended, harmonious look that is both sophisticated and technologically advanced. The overall effect is a car that looks more like a premium, forward-thinking EV than a traditional midsize sedan, signaling Hyundai's ambition to dominate the segment with sheer visual appeal. It's a design that is sure to turn heads and spark conversations, which is exactly what a new car should do. Step inside the 2026 Sonata, and the upgrades are just as impressive. Hyundai has completely rethought the cockpit experience, focusing on a cleaner, more integrated digital environment. The centerpiece is a new panoramic curved display that elegantly blends a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen into a single, seamless unit. This widescreen layout provides a modern, driver-centric feel and reduces visual clutter, a significant step up from the previous model's setup. The interior materials have also been upgraded, with more soft-touch surfaces, available premium upholstery options like leatherette and quilted Nappa leather, and thoughtful ambient lighting that enhances the cabin's premium ambiance. Under the hood, the 2026 Sonata is expected to carry over its proven and efficient powertrain options, but with potential refinements for even smoother performance. This means the lineup will likely continue to feature the responsive 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and the potent 2.5-liter turbocharged unit in the Sonata N Line, which delivers thrilling performance for an enthusiast driver. The real story, however, is the continued emphasis on the hybrid variant. The Sonata Hybrid, with its exceptional fuel economy figures that are among the best in the entire car market, remains a huge draw for buyers looking to save at the pump without sacrificing style or space. It perfectly aligns with the car's modern, eco-conscious image. When it comes to technology and safety, the 2026 Sonata is packed to the brim with the latest features. The infotainment system runs on Hyundai's latest software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connected navigation, and a premium audio system option. The digital instrument cluster is highly configurable, providing all essential driving information in a clear and modern layout. On the safety front, Hyundai's SmartSense suite of advanced driver assistance systems is standard. This includes everything from highway driving assist, which combines adaptive cruise control with lane keeping for semi-autonomous highway driving, to forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision